Not a cloud in the sky. What a perfect day. I don't have to worry about transforming at all. So we're starting off a nice clean, moisturized face. Here I'm going in with my Fenty shadow primer. This is my go-to. This is e.l.f. blush. I like to do it kind of closer to the outer corner of my eye, I guess. I also do it up because I feel like it brings up my cheekbones. This right here is just Sephora concealer. I don't like to do anything super crazy with the base, so yeah, I very much just stick with concealer, blush, then fun stuff with the eyes. I'm also just blending this out with a sponge. I feel like that provides a better blend than my finger. Now I'm just setting everything with powder. I try to like bake the under eyes to help with creasing. Now I'm going in with shadows. I pretty much exclusively stick to ColourPop for my eyeshadow palettes. Yeah, I love all of their colors. They have really good color payoff. Now I'm just shadow lining. I prefer to use a shadow to line rather than like a graphic liner, just because I think like I prefer the softer look compared to the super bold look of a normal liner. I'm also doing my undershadow as well. I feel like this helps just add more dimension, especially depending upon the color combos. I always like to do a contrasting color or a complementary color on the undershadow just to give the look more depth. Now I'm going in, just doing the final touches. I'm adding glitter on my under eye because never enough glitter, especially if we're going for a mermaid summer look. Now here I am doing blue in my brows just to kind of tie it together. I didn't want the brows to be like super basic. I felt like adding a little bit of color to them could maybe amp up the fantastical elements to the makeup look. And then of course I'm gluing my brows down. And then finishing touch, we're going in with blue mascara. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I spent so much time editing the intro. Yeah, so I really appreciate you guys for watching. If you made it this far in the video, comment Aquamarine or leave Aquamarine in your comments. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Yeah, I hope I see you guys in the next one. Bye.